Welcome to our guide on how to delete your Gmail account on PC. Follow these simple steps to effectively remove your Gmail account. Begin by going to your Google account. Once there, navigate to the left side and click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Data from Apps and Services You Use. Locate Gmail and click on the option to delete it. You will then be asked to enter an existing email address that you wish to sign in with. Click on Send Verification Email. Remember, this email cannot be a Gmail address. To verify your existing email address, you will receive an email at that address. Your Gmail account will remain active until you verify the new email address. By following these steps, you can successfully delete your Gmail account on your PC. This ensures the removal of your Gmail account while allowing you to continue using other Google services seamlessly. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of deleting your Gmail account on your PC. Enjoy a streamlined account management experience by following these steps.